Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to show search icon and label on taskbar in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To show search icon and label on Windows 11 taskbar, go to Start menu, right click on Start menu, click on Settings, click on Personalization on left pane. Now scroll down, click on Taskbar here, and here under Search bar items you will find Search, and search box is selected by default. Just click on the drop down here and select search icon and label, and look, now search icon and label is showing on taskbar in my Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.